Hey! What's going on? I forgot my water, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. What up? Sorry. I was having too much fun. Who's out here? All right. Volume is on. I hear it. Hope you guys are having a fantastic fucking day. A fantastic day. Uh-oh, I might disappear. We're hardwired now, bruh. We're hardwired, bruh. All right. All right. Fuck. What seems to be the problem here? Yeah. There we go. Let me just log in. Let me log in to make sure I'm logged in on all my accounts, which I'm not. I was until I wasn't. That was a nice dumperooski, right? Ugh. Literally got logged out of everything, bruh. Got logged out of everything. Fuck. Oh, still in there. Still in there. All right, cool. One more. One more. All right. What's going on here? We did get this nice little fucking. This is the larger time frame. Actually, no, it's the 15. Sorry. Here's the larger time frame. We popped. Well, I mean, this also bleeds into yesterday, but this is the high on the larger time frame. Drew a nice, happy little Fibonacci here. The low, the high. And then we hit the 707. We bounced, and now we might get even lower. We wicked below it. Maybe we get to the 786. Maybe we come down to this fucking piece of shit line I drew. Who knows? But it was a nice dumperooski. I mean, we're down 800 points from that high. And then gold, like gold was chilling. And then all of a sudden, it dumped so hard. So hard. And it was on a smaller time frame. It was like a 786 rejection that fucking, I mean, I didn't expect it to drop that much. There was some news, but crazy, bro. Who's out here? Who's here? Who's here? Yash, Micah. Just ain't right. Wow. Slick Rick, the ruler. De Leon. Kenny. Andy. Michael E. Nayo. We got another De Leon. At least that's... We got Diana's De Leon, and then we got De Leon. We got 2 De Leons in here. Cool. What are the chances? CyberPie. Who's that unknown guy? Is that Isaac? I think I know that's Isaac. Is that Isaac? It's Isaac. Jimmy G. Yo, Jimmy G, check your DM, bro. I got back to you. Scalpster. Gregor Orlowski. Enzo. Rick. Yeah. Yesterday was like that for me. I was like so frustrated with how the market was moving. So frustrating. LK. Robert Gallus. Reimer. Betty Reimer in the building. V33. P Shenanigan. Yeah, this is... what? Doesn't YouTube have the data on how fucking annoying it is for me to have to fucking figure out who everyone is? Not just me. It's got to be everyone it's happening to. John Q. Is it really your brother? No way. The brothers are here. Tyson. 50% off Apex. I know. I got to actually change the wording on my thing. Hold on a sec. Fuck. I got to do it right now. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to leave it. I don't fucking care. Use my code, by the way. ZERODAYJay. It's the best fucking code. So here's my trade day live account. I wish I was in short when this happened. Wish. I finally got paid on it too, by the way. I finally got paid on that shit. They sent me the money today. Boom. Whoops. Let me go back the other way. Boom. That was this. I requested 625 or like really Friday, but they didn't see it. So I requested it again. Like I basically followed up on Monday. I don't think it's going to take this long moving forward. There was some bottleneck that was happening, but I did get my money. That's my first ever payout from a live trading account. I'm no longer a influencer. Yeah. And then here's my bulenox accounts. I did this yesterday real quick. Right quick. So now I got 2 days. See, I'm not trying to run this fucking thing up. I'm already over 5,000. I've been over the buffer since the last payout. Since 2 payouts ago, basically. So I'm just getting my days in. Right? 220. This kind of just worked out that way. Got another payout, got another $3,000 from these 2 accounts, the leader and the follower. And I'm just growing the accounts. I have to, for a day to count as a trading day for me, I have to get at least $150. So that's what I'm doing. I just need 8 more days. How hard can it be? And then that will be my 3rd payout from these 2 accounts. That'd be $9,000 from 2 fucking accounts. That's the name of the game. Multiple payouts from the same accounts. Ramel. Day Trader Cut. Hot Shot. Marcine. Yeah, I've been getting, because I'm the Warren Buffett always tells me how great I am at trading. I'm the best fucking trader. These are all 91% offs that I didn't pass. I don't get rid of them. I keep them until I pass them. I'm waiting for these rebuilds to come through, man. I could see if I could load up on bulenox accounts. But these 2 accounts are just amazing looking. Look at the balance on these fucking things. Damn, son. Anyway, that's that. Here's my little trade day account, my little live account. Like I said, I missed a fucking banger. I'm up $123. This is my first trade of the week, actually. I took 1 trade, got $123 to make them holler. And then So many other opportunities after that. So many. Lot of fib action going on. The fibs have been fibbing all day on gold until this fucking massive dump. But that was off of rejection. So that's that. What else can I show you? Oh, I didn't blow any Apex funded accounts today. Look at me. Look how good I am. I'm the best. The best to ever do it. These are the ones I got yesterday. I got them up $1,000 yesterday, and I got these up $745 today. I have almost all of my drawdown. I could have gotten more. I could have tried to get more. I could have held longer, blah, blah, blah. I stopped. I'm good. I'm at basically just under 1,800 across all three of them. I'm only on day 2. Like, look, even that right there. I mean, all fucking day. Even this right here, like 786. Yeah, we wicked over it a little bit, but 744. 100 ticks. 100 ticks. And then watch this. You're going to love my nuts. Watch this. You're going to love my nuts. 707 bounce. Maybe a 786. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's zoom in. Amazing, guys. Look at that. How many ticks is that? 50 ticks already. Look at that. I could have fucking passed this eval that I got. Because I blew another fucking funded account yesterday and got my little one-time use 80% off code. Let me get the fuck out of these funded accounts. There we go. Oh my God. I'm one funded account away from my 500th funded Apex account. Wow. Wow, wow, we wow. 499 divided by 1564. 32% overall pass rate. Not bad. I think it's a little lower because some of those well charts accounts, the numbers don't go up. But yeah. 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 Desmond, what up? Hey, chat. Hey, chat. Hey, chat. I'm no longer a simfluencer. Hey, chat. By the way, that's the dumbest fucking thing I've ever heard anyone say. Calling people simfluencers. Man, if you're getting fucking payouts, you're getting fucking payouts. Doesn't matter if you're a live trader or not. Honestly, like if I had to, if I knew, I don't know. I think it's better to be sim funded with trade day, for example. But I know at some point, if you keep getting payouts, they're going to push you to live. It's better to be sim funded with my funded futures. It's better to be sim funded with Top Step. It's better to be live with Take Profit Trader, though. I will say that. That's of all the ones that I know about, that I've heard anything about, and I'm familiar with. Take Profit Trader, you could still have as many as 5 Pro Plus accounts. So they don't take everything and put it into one. And you can still get paid fast as fuck. You know? So that whole thing, that whole rhetoric that was coming out of some coach's fucking mouth on Twitter, who was also a simfluencer, don't fucking take it. Take it with a grain of salt. You can make a fuck ton of money not ever being a live trader. It's just propaganda. Anyway, moving right along. What else do I got going on? Oh. Look at this shit. Gino, what up? Oh, day motherfucking 5. Day 5, son. Day 5. Woo! Tomorrow I will have 3 funded 50K Take Profit Trader accounts. What's going on with the NQ? What did I miss? Anything? Oh, we're just going lower, lower, lower. What up, Nick? Oh. Really? You can't have 5, you can't have live accounts from with Take Profit Trader in Germany? What kind of bullshit is that? I know it's not on Take Profit Trader. It's some fucking German regulations bullshit. Yash. Mateo, what up? Thank you, sir. Who's expensive as fuck? Today Prop Trader isn't that expensive. No activate. You're literally all in for 90 bucks with a funded, as little as 90 bucks with a funded account that pays you on day one potentially and daily. For 90 bucks, it's cheaper than My Funded Futures now daily payout account. You don't pay an activation fee. Oh my God, look at the NQ. What else can I show you? Oh, so you know what's fucking annoying about my Lucid accounts? This account was paired with this one. I've been copy trading these together. I got paid on both of these. This one is no longer with us. Pour a little liquor out for the homie. So yesterday, I took a trade in this one. I thought I was copy trading. I didn't have the group checked off. Then I tried to make up for it and get this, get about the same amount with this one, and it turned into a fucking shit show, and I ended up fucking hitting the daily loss limit. Lost like $1,900 plus, and then I had $239 to show of drawdown left. So then last night, I'm trading this fucking thing. I get $110 on the first trade, and it drops another fucking 40 or 50 ticks. And I'm like, fuck. So it comes back up, and I think it's just like a relief bounce to go lower, and because I'm so fucking smart, I go in short, and sure enough, it fucking blows the account. I gave back the 110, and it's kept going up. So this one's fucking gone, which pisses me off. All because of a fucking user error. This fucking guy fucked it up. But this one, look at this one. Look at this one. The other one is literally $522 away from max payout land. I'm actually in max payout land right now, but because I'm such a fucking idiot and I didn't lose money on purpose like a week and a half ago, I have to grow the account another $522 to get paid. All I had to do was lose a couple $100. I did 733, but let's see. I needed 1,500 times 0.35, 525. So all I had to do was lose on purpose $208. Very easy to do when you got something like ZB. And it's end of day drawdown, so I wouldn't be fucking up like intraday trailing or anything like that. And I didn't do it. And this is the reason why this type of shit happened. This is the reason why. And then on Friday, I hit the daily loss limit with both of these. And I was pushing to try to get a payout, but it wouldn't have mattered because I would have made it worse in terms of the consistency rule. What an idiot. What an idiot. So at least today and yesterday, I knew better than to not get more than $733. I got 716. I'm $522 away from getting my second payout on this account. And this one's going to be bigger than the last one. And then this one is one of those 25Ks. I passed this 25K yesterday. I did it for the stream. And I got it up $501.60 on the first fucking day. These two, I hit the daily loss limit. These are evals. But whatever. I still have them. Anything could happen. But man, I'm $522 away. Because why? 733 was the biggest day I had. Divided by 0.35 means I have to get $2,095. And I started with 2,100 because I withdrew down to the buffer. 2095. 5. There we go. 41.95 is what I need to grow the account to. And I'm at 36.73. What the fuck? There we go. $522 to make them holla. How hard can it be, guys? How hard can it be? And then this, the magic number to get a max payout of $1,000, I need to get to 2,100. So I'm a quarter of the way there. And 2,100 times 0.35. I can make as much as $735 in a day without having to grow the account beyond the max payout land. So $500, I stopped there. It's a great first day. Let's see if I can build that fucker up. That's that. What else can I show you? Oh, what else? Oh, shit. We did it, Joe. We finally passed these fucking cores. You want to see something funny about this, though? It never comes easy for me. I can tell you that much. Watch this. Vince, what up? Stock Cars and Bets. Jonathan Trentwell. 35% consistency on their pro accounts. Yes, but between payouts, Sal, you're right. It's actually more than that. If you're going for 3,600, if the max payout is 3,600, you could go as much as 12. If you're going for max payout land, you got to begin with the end in mind. If you're going for max payout land, which on a 50K is 3,600 to get your 1,500 bucks, you could have a day, you could go as big as 1,260. However, I took a payout on the account already on 03 and 04. I took a payout. I went down to 2,100. I started with 2,100 already. I was at the buffer. I'm going for 15. I needed only 1,500 bucks. The problem is I got 733. The consistency rule is like Apex. It's from payout to payout, so it starts over. So watch this. You want to see some fucked up shit? Look. You see this? This was the long I was in with gold in those My Fund the Futures accounts. It fucking went. This was my take profit. It went up that high, and then I got stopped, and then it rejected at my take profit, and then I was trailing it obviously, so I had to get another 170 bucks. It was like literally right there. But I had to wait. I had to try again somewhere else. And you know how that goes when you're right there. You're that fucking close. And sometimes it just, all of a sudden, you can't win a fucking trade to save your life. And next thing you know, you fucking blow the shit. The other thing is, again, even though my take profit was there, I also had another thing in place. Tradeday gives you the ability. They have those risk settings. Let me show you. They have the risk settings, right? Motherfucker! Hold on a sec. I got to fucking log back in. Fuck, man. Why? Trying to show you guys something so you're aware if you were not aware yet. The fucking risk settings in Tradeday blow. Blow. They're the worst. They're the fucking utter fucking worst. They don't work. They do work when they feel like working, but they're not fucking foolproof. If you're like trying to play pass or smash and you're like, oh, I need 1,500 or I need 3,000. Don't rely on the fucking risk settings in Tradeday. Do not rely on them because they won't trigger. They don't trigger all the time. I was over 3,000. I set my profit trigger to 3,000. I was over 3,000 when maybe by like 10 or 20 bucks when this happened, when it got up here. It did not take me out of the trade. But then when I took a short the other way, like a few minutes later, and then it triggered. Even though my stop loss got hit, my take profit got hit, it then triggered it. So like it's very unreliable. And all of these risk settings, where are they? It's unreliable as fuck. The daily loss limit, even if you set your daily loss limit for like 80 bucks, you'll probably end up losing 120. Your weekly loss, all this shit, very unreliable. So just keep that in mind when you could use it and have it as like a backup in case it actually does trigger when it's supposed to, but don't fucking rely on it entirely. That should be like, in terms of a priority of anything you could rely on, that's like at the bottom of the fucking list. TT Beezy, Zoe. Yeah, Tradeday is just as strict. Yeah, no problem, Sal. Great Dane, what up? Cashall, iTrades, J Stores. Yeah, Tradeday on consistency rules with evals, they're just as strict as Take Profit Trader. As in, it's got to be, they're literally doing it, the math is being done. If you're 0.01% over, they will make you trade more. Take Profit Trader is the same way. JP, Jay Jackson, whoo! Yeah, I got it finally, bro. Finally, there it is. Boy, Oh man! All right, what the fuck are we doing here? What a nice fucking bat! Look at gold, man. Gold is so good. It's so good. I love gold. What a fucking bounce. How many points? How many ticks is that? 650? Casual 80-something tick bounce at fucking 430 or 330. What's NQ doing? Wow. All right. I want to pass this. I want to pass this fucking account. Let's see. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's just say you draw a Fibonacci from the low to the high. Let's look at fucking gold. I'm going to go to the 5-minute. I'm going to go to the 5-minute on here. See if I can see something. Oh, my God. Gold is tricky right now. Let me go back to the 1 minute. See, this could be. We already rejected off that same spot here. And it's pretty much a little bit. It's about at the same spot. It's just a little higher. I don't know. So what I'm going to do here is get this high, this low. Let's see if it comes down here. Okay, guys? You see, guys? Or do I want to trade the NQ? I fucking hate the NQ, guys. Have I told you that? Have I told you lately I hate the NQ? K. Soliman. Micah. That's what, yeah. I love it, bro. I love it. Too legit to quit. Slipidocious. Stock cars and bets. What up? What up? Logan. What happened? Nothing, just lots of fucking winning here. I'm green almost everywhere. Almost everywhere. That's the only fucking red. I don't even know if I want to trade this anymore. Why even bother? Why push it? I don't need to trade this shit. This would have been a fucking great opportunity. Crazy, bro. I'm going to catch one of these moves. I'm going to catch one of these. Look at this drop. How many ticks is that? 500 ticks? I'm going to catch a move like that with a mini. 500 ticks is $5 grand. I'm going to catch one of those moves while I'm in a gold trade in my live account. It's going to happen. I can't wait to fucking share it with you guys when it does happen. It's going to happen. One of these days. All right, let's go back to this shit. Renee from John J. Zayback, what up? I haven't seen you in forever. I know you're hanging out with other streamers, bro. Digital nukes. I fucking know it, man. PJ. Market Extreme. 15 contracts. Yeah, I'm not doing that shit. Well, if it's him, then I'll let it slide. I'll let it slide because it's him. Because it's my best friend. Yeah, Marcin, it's 50% off. What I'm curious is, investors, what up? If I'm able to pass this eval today, I'm curious if the $40 lifetime activation fee is still live in the back office in the dashboard. Has anybody in here? Hey chat. Yeah, hey guys, you hear chat? Has anybody here activated a funded Apex account today for $40 one time? Yeah, investors. Thank you, sir. I'll take that as a compliment. Tyson, yeah, I mean, I hear you. Let me check with my 50K member paid Discord. Oh, man. Oh. Oh. Wow, that would have been enough. 92. That shit just shot up 30 fucking points. Well, time to expand this to this high. Any news? Is Trump still talking? Imagine being part of the Federal Reserve and your name is Cash Carry. They look, see it rejected off the same spot. Give me, I don't know. I fucking hate the NQ. Matthew Van Zandt, what up? Tactical. Bro, just go back to whatever was working for you when you were on a heater getting payouts like almost every day. I think you're like putting extra pressure on yourself trying to get those day one payouts. I don't know. I can't see what you're doing, but it just feels that way. Yeah. I don't know if that's how you pronounce his name, but that's what it spelled. That's what it reads when you look at it, Olivier. You know what I'm saying, bro? Fucking guy's name is Cash Carry. As in he's taking all of our fucking he's a co-conspirator in taking all of our cash from us. Grizzly. I don't know, Grizzly. I'm not gonna know until later. But I was hoping somebody had an activation, had a PA they wanted to activate today, and they paid $40. Christopher Branzall, what up? All the eights. I'm just sitting here waiting patiently, like 50 Cent. Was that enough? That was enough. 20 buck. Is this the spot? Is this the spot? Guys, you see, guys? You see, guys? You see, guys? Just waiting here, just waiting patiently. 6,800 pivot. Where's the yes at? Let's see. Damn, that's right. That's also where the VWAP is. Is that where the VWAP is? Let's see here. Let's draw another happy little Fibonacci here. I like drawing Fibonacci's, especially when they're happy. Here's a high. Here's a low. The body of the candle's at the 786. I think we need to expand this fucker to this line, to this fucking candle. And that kind of makes more sense. Yeah. A lot of people trade with micros. More people trade with micros than you'd realize. All the eights. Not me, though. I'm good. I'm good with minis. Especially when it's time to play passive smash. which I'm waiting for an opportunity right now. Right now! Right now! Let's see. We're gonna be able to do this yet or what? Christopher Branswell, just expect the fills to be awful. Your fills on trades are going to be fucking awful, bro. But good luck with the account. You know, just don't trade it like an eval. NQ only goes up, but it's down fucking 600 points today. You know what I mean? Or it was. It's up 140 points from the low of day, which means it was down 620 points on the day. Right now it's pumping because, you know, we hit a bottom. Oh, you don't use this, yeah, tactical, bro. You don't use a stop loss on fucking on a prop firm account that has intraday trailing. You know what I'm saying, bro? Give yourself a chance. Give yourself a chance to live another trade. Just buy the dip, guys. Oh, all right. So you know the deal, Christopher Branswell. I did too, but never with futures. I never traded futures until I started with this prop firm shit. But I traded options. Very different, though. I don't know. I was placing orders from like E-Trade or whatever, or fucking Fidelity. Kasalisk. Chilling. Honest take. Fuck this market. Alfred. Gained weight. Oh, yeah. So you're good, bro. He said, great success. What the fuck is this? Look at that. How many points have we rejected off? Oh, my God. That would have been enough. 7-0. We almost hit the 786. That would have been enough. Fuck. Oh, look. It's 786 here. Look where I drew it here on the smaller time frame. Oh, my God. Granny, no. I still have orders. Oh, shit. I'm about to get filled. I'm scared. I'm actually scared. Well, we'll get. What the? Yo, all fucking day with this bullshit. Look at this. I mean, it only went up 9 ticks. Oh my God. Look at that. Uh-oh. I only got filled in one. Uh-oh. Now, famous last words. P. Oh, yeah. Lots of humidity lessons. J. Hundo. Bobby D. I still have it. Trade Day Live is, I finally traded it this week. First time trading it all week. Got it up $123. Unfortunately, I didn't catch this 500 tick drop, but, you know, maybe next time. Let me go back to this shit. Damn, what a fucking drop. And then we bounced. Look at that. Nice fucking, look at that. I should have just full ported here. 43, it went down 42 points. Oh! Hey, let me set my risk settings. What account is this? My risk settings. Even though it's not going to work. Just in case I do the math wrong on something else and it does go up over it. I wish I got filled in more. I kind of staggered my orders. Oh, great. Now the drawdown's working against me. Because 78, fuck. Full porting right there would be it. 78 right here would be enough. Right there, if I had all 10. Motherfucker. Josh, what up? Humble mode today. Yeah, I bet. Yeah. Yeah. I'm sure a lot of people are getting killed today. Yo, here is if I was full port, that's the take profit to push me over 3,000. The issue was I had my orders kind of staggered, and they didn't all get filled, which kind of sucks. I don't trust any of this shit, bro. Yeah, Lucid resets are 50% off right now, guys. Okay, guys? Oh, here we go. Fuck me. It's going to hit it, but I'm not in full port. What was I thinking? It's because gold, a lot of times, gold will bounce off the 786, the 707 a lot. There it is. That would have been it. That would have been passed. Gold bounces off the 707 a lot, but it also goes to the 786, but I wanted to have some at the 707. So now I'm going to get fucked. That would have been enough if I was full port. Is it going to come all the way back down? Are you fucking serious? Oh, well, look. There's a 786 it just rejected off of. Shocker. Let me expand it to this. Shocker. I just have a feeling this is I'm going to fuck this up somehow. I just have this fucking feeling. If I would have went full port, I got more than 30 ticks. My original entry is where? 678? Oh, here we go. Uh-oh. What? No, it's a 786 rejection. I mean, beautiful. Textbook. I love the fibs. But I think I'm going to get fucked now. And it had nothing to do with anything other than my poor execution. Now it's going to keep dropping. I bet it comes down here and hits those other orders that I had where they originally were. Yeah, I'm fucked. This is going to blow now. So stupid. It's just a $37 eval, but whatever. It's just annoying because had I full port, I would have had it, which is what I always do. My other orders were here and here. Here and here. Well, there's... I fucking knew it! You fucking piece of shit. Watch it fucking pump now. How did I fucking know? I called it. I always know when I'm going to get fucked. I always fucking know. Now it's going to pump. I always know when I'm going to get fucked. Maybe it's going to keep dropping. Dude, I fucking call it every fucking time. You know what? I'm not trading this shit. I'm not fucking with this account. Fuck that. As it goes up now. Watch this. So look at this. So my first, all I had to do was leave those orders there. I would have been in good shape. So my first order was at 78. Then I had another 3 at all of those orders. If I just left them, I had another 3 right here at 70. Right? 70. And then I had another 4 at 65. Every single one of them would have got filled and I'd be passing this thing right now. You see that? All I had to do was just not fucking touch anything and I'd be good to go. Fucking crazy. Crazy. But no, I thought I was so fucking smart that it was going to bounce here. And then my orders literally got filled to a fucking T. And then now I'd be up, let's see, 1 at 78, 3 at, and it wouldn't even been enough. No, 3 at 78, 3 at 70, and 4 at 65. My average fill would have been like in the like 71, 72. Watch this shit go up. Watch, here we go. Here it is, right here. Well, I can't, well, that's the spot. Like right around there would have been like where my take profit would be. I hate when I do shit like that. Look, it caught, like, I fucked myself out of a fucking $37 eval. No skills. What up? Cajun. No consistency rule with trade day. You could get paid on day 1. You could get paid daily when you're sim funded. When you're sim funded. Let's see what NQ is doing. So so poor execution on my part. This is all because of poor execution. Good thing it's just a fucking eval, right? You see, guys, it's just an eval. We're okay. Everything's fine. Everything is just fucking great. Oh, wrong. That's backwards. Why? Doesn't even matter. Remove all. Let's try this again. Fuck it. Yeah. Yeah, they're daily payouts until they push you to live. So just keep that in mind. It's not exactly daily when you're live. There's a whole fucking other process around involved. You got to wait for them. They got to wait. They got to withdraw the money from your account from the brokerage, which is Tradeday/Ninja Trader. Then they got to wait for it to hit their bank account. I guess they don't keep reserves around to cover it, but that's how they do it. Rebbe. Now you can get paid more than weekly. You can get paid more than weekly. I'm gonna find out as soon as I can. As soon as I can start stacking some bigger days and requesting. It's probably like every 2 or 3 days. When you're live. But what am I supposed to do? Not trade with them anymore? That'd be stupid. Why not just keep making money with them? When you're sim funded, so when you pass an eval and you have your sim funded account, you could get paid on day 1 and you could get paid every single day. 30% off, no activation fee. With the best fucking code ZERODAYJAY. Once you get beyond that point, it changes. Jonathan Trentwell. It took a little while, but I don't think it'll be quicker moving forward. Oh my God, are you fucking serious? You couldn't come down another fucking 20-something ticks for me? Wow. Watch this. Should have just went short on fucking NQ. Look at that. From this low to this high, 786 bounce. A fucking 50.786 bounce. Look at that. You see, guys? You see, guys? Devin Link, what up? It's bouncing here. DS. What's the secret sauce to get crazy 10K payouts like some dudes that do it daily? First get $100 payouts daily. How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. You got to work your way up to that. They didn't just wake up one day and started getting $10,000 payouts. They've been trading for a while. They've been developing their skills. They have who the fuck knows how many hours of fucking chart time. They got their psychological aspect on lock. Don't worry about them. Work your way. You could get there. And guess what? If you never get there and all you do is get $1,000 every day on average, you're still fucking killing it. It's one thing to look at them like, and I don't know why you're asking. You're not like comparing yourself to them, but just don't ever compare yourself to anyone. You're on your own journey. Yeah, we know there's some dude right now that's just literally pulling gobs of money out of Take Profit Trader, and I'm over here with my $123 a day. I can easily fucking compare myself to that guy and be like, oh man, I suck. No, I got this. I built my trade day up to a live account. I have a live account now and that's because I was trading good and I already got a payout from it. I can't worry about what other people are doing. You got to fucking focus on yourself. Look to those people for inspiration, but that's it. Don't fucking compare yourself to anyone. We're all on our own journey. We're all on different levels. There's levels to this shit. There's people that look to me and say, holy shit, Jay, you did 6 figures in payouts. I see you trade good. And then there's people that look at me and they say, I fucking suck. It's all relative. Mob Barley, exactly. It's you versus you. It's nobody else. Perry Dollar to make them holler. A circuit breaker on the close? Why? We dumped? We're dumping? Nah, we're good. We fucking look at that 786 bounce. 33, 64 points off that 786 bounce. I wish I waited. Or I just went short. Fucking clean bounce, too. Gold is looking kind of sloppy right now. But, I mean, it's expected around this time of day. Bacon. Yeah, man, it's just, we're all on our own journey. Oh, that was DS asking. Yeah, DS. You know what I'm saying, DS? Yeah, Crank. Tell him, Crank. Yeah, just buy my course. How to guess your way to habitual payouts. That's all you got to do. Just guess your way in and guess your way out. I guess this shit ain't coming back down. Look at this. We're just cucking. Look at that cuck. Lots of cuck there. Wow. 80 fucking points. 80 points off of this 786 bounce. You see, guys? You see? That's right. No skills. Tell him no skills. All you need is Tori's tan lines. Yeah, it was DS. It was DS who was asking. What was his? Let's see. What's his user ID? His user ID. Where the fuck did he go? His display name is DS. His user ID is fucking. Why can't I find him now? Rebby. I don't know where he went. Miss Goody, F4. Oh, there he is. DS D Soulage or whatever. Yeah, dude. I mean, there's levels to this shit. He's fucking locked in right now, and he's taking big shots because he's confident in his fucking strategy. But he didn't start. It's not like he just started. This guy's been trading for years. You know, he's a young kid. He has no fucking responsibility, and he's been able to just be a fucking student of the markets for however long he's been trading for. I think it's great for him. The one thing I worry about is just everybody's going to be like, I got to trade exactly how he trades. Don't do that. Trade how you trade. Exactly. I'm happy for him. I think it's great. But beyond that, I really don't give a fuck. There's a lot of people that make a lot of money doing this shit. We got a bunch of people fucking getting payouts every day in our Discord. J Stores. HID, what up? Free for now. What a fucking bounce. Look at this. Off of this 786, 117 points. You see, guys? Oh, my God. You see, guys? You know what I'm going to do? You know what I'm going to do? Although it's probably too fucking late, but... What a fucking bounce. Go figure. This went up enough points for me. I might have, even if I got that fill from before, I might have blown the account if I would have waited. But look, it went up enough that my take profit would have gotten hit too. If I would have just kept everything the way it was. But the real play was to go full port when I got filled here, but I didn't. Oh well. Oh my God. Gold just fucking bounced. How many fucking ticks? 65 ticks. You know what's funny? Let's make fun of me. Right here. I put an order in at 693, which was way up here. But I'd be up right now 14 ticks. Oh well. Oh well, as they say. You see, guys? Let's fuck around. Even though I don't want to trade this anymore. I don't want to trade this anymore, but hey, let's fuck around with the fucking live account until I get this other account that I'm working on getting going right now. Right now! 50K TED. Which one is it? What am I in here? I'm gonna take advantage of Lucid's 50% off fucking 50% off resets. I think that expires tomorrow when the market closes. So that those two aren't, that's not them. All right, this one I can reset. $45 all in when you if you have a reset if you could reset a blown account with Lucid. I'm trying to get to 5 funded accounts. You know what I mean? I was close until I wasn't. Uh-oh. Are you fuck? This is what I'm talking about with these fucked up. Oh shit. Oh, get the fuck down there. Give it to me. Uh-oh. Keep going down. Get the fuck down there. Look at that 786 rejection right fucking on it. Oh, I was almost about to start bitching that I didn't get filled by a tick. And then it drops. I'm taking this. Fuck it. What did I get? That see how fucked you see how fucked up those fills are? My order was at, you know what? It wasn't bad. I only got fucked by a tick. Hey, another $80. Really? Damn, I had 7 more ticks. Good thing I got out when I did, right? You see, guys, you'll get a scalping opportunity at these levels, but sometimes the move won't always fucking go through. I locked in another $80, yo. Damn, look at gold. What a fucking, look at that bounce. 650. We just went up 100 ticks. Let's see where the next fucking level is. Ha! I haven't traded this account all week until today. I'll take $200. This, like I said, this is why I don't like to uh-oh. Fuck me. I'm going to give this all back right now. I went to cancel it. I swear. Yo, gold is fucking pumping. Yo, kill me. Why is it pumping? Why did I fucking put that order in? Fuck me. Well, nice knowing you. Nice knowing you, live account. Good thing I got at least one payout. That sucks. That's a crazy bounce. I should have just been happy with that other shit. Oh my God. Kill me. Now I got to build back better. Now I got to build back better. I'm going to get taken out. Maybe not. $1,000. I'm so fucked. Damn, guys. You see, guys? You see, guys? Oh, yeah. Please keep going. Please keep going down. It's not going to. Save me. Keep going, please. Whatever. I got to draw a line in the sand at some point. Maybe it keeps going down for me. Too bad I didn't add up here. I'm going to get taken out. Probably getting taken out. I literally was going to move on to that Lucid account. I just fucking reset. And then I fucking put that order in like a dumb fuck and got wrecked. Please go down more. I don't think it's going to. That was crazy. Lowering this a little bit more. Yikes. That was scary, guys. Like right now, I'm only down like 250 on the 300 on the day. That's okay. But to, you know, be down, go get out of the day, finish the day down 1,000, that's not good. Drop it a little bit more. I think it's going to go up. I don't know. We'll see. Woo! Woo! Yeah, see? I don't know. You see, guys, I'm about to get stopped out. Go down more, please, Granny. Micah. Yo, I know, bro. I saw that. Believe me. I noticed. I wonder what caused that pump. Look at that pump. It's going to come here. Man, I could have gotten some of this if I was not a fucking pussy. Imagine. I had my order down here, and I didn't get filled. And it fucking pumped. How many points? How many ticks? 650. 650 to, yo, it went up 200 fucking ticks. Keep going down, please, Granny. Keep going down, please, Granny. Oh, man, go lower. Go lower. Look, my entry is the fucking, my average fill, my average entry is the fucking, is support. Go back down. That was fucking crazy. I'm going to get taken out here. Fuck me. Oh, now it's going to drop? All right, look. I only end up losing 174 bucks. Yeah. Oh, my God. It couldn't just keep going down. Yo, Bowser, perfect example. A perfect example why everything isn't absolute. I said right before that happened, I said, you'll always get a scalping opportunity. Almost always. Hey, someone tell me what fucking strategy you deploy in your trading. That's 100%. Anybody? I'm waiting. Where's the 100%? But that's why you have stops. That's what stops are for. I didn't really have a stop. Yeah, ICT. Okay. Yeah, okay. Bullshit. I'm saying it's bad. I'm just saying it's not 100%. Maybe Tory's tan lines. That was crazy, though. That was, what was the NQ? What was the NQ doing during all that? Oh, wait, that's delayed. The NQ went up 125 points from that 786 bounce. The 786. Look, it's like any other strategy. It works when it works, and it doesn't work when it doesn't work. But it's been pretty fucking good to me. I have 17,588 reasons why I play that shit and nothing else at this point. in the last, what, 3 weeks to a month? I did it in 3 weeks. And I'm about to get another payout maybe. If I could get 522, if I could get $522 on this account, trading the fibs, I'll take another 1,500 bucks. So we'll see how it goes. Don Burberry. Yash. Yeah, no, exactly. No trade. Carbonite. NQ just keeps going up. Let me go back to this shit. That was scary, though. I should have fucking added. Near the top. Oh, look, a 618 rejection. Alpha Trader. Hide the account numbers. Oh, look. Oh, my God. I got taken out. Where did I get taken out? Right here? I think my average fill was like right here. Right below this wick right here. Guys. You see, guys? That was nuts. Pine Tree. How many times did I go long today? I don't know. I go, you know, I don't. I find myself going short a lot more than I go long lately for whatever reason. Yo, my fucking earbuds are tangled up like a motherfucker right now. Crisis averted. I should have just stopped trade. You know what I'm saying? I could have stopped after that last quick little scalp. I think I had $197. Watch this shit fucking drop below my fucking average fill right now. No skills. Shari, what's up? Here we go. It is. You fucking piece of shit. Let me see something. Shit, almost hit the 618. Oh, look at it go. Look at it go. You fuck. You piece of shit. Right here was my break even right here. That was my break even. It's going to go lower. Here we go. Watch it fucking fill this for the rest of the day. My break even right where that line is. Let's see. What's there? Oh, look, it's this wick. This fucking, the top of this wick right here is like the spot where it bounced here and here again right now, for now at least. But this is a lot better than where it was. It was a lot worse. Very interesting. 19. 19, guys. You see, guys? 19 right here. See, like Bowser knows me, and he's just fucking with me because we hang out in the best community together. But I'm a big proponent of saying that nothing is absolute. I don't care how good of a strategy you think you have or what's out there that's being taught. It's all great until it doesn't work. It's just a numbers game. That was a perfect example. With the fibs, you got to expand it. You expand the fibs or whatever. So it was just not a good spot. I mean, look at this fucking candle. Look at this fucking candle. 740, a 1 minute candle went up 80 ticks. 1 minute candle. That's nuts. Was there news? What did Kashikari say? Oh, let's see. No. No. We will see 60,000 job losses due to the shutdown. U.S. rescinds. When did that shit pump? What time was that? What time was this? 108. Maybe this had something to do with it. U.S. rescinds the 2024 rule on National Petroleum Reserve in Alaska. I don't know. Who knows? Who the fuck knows? It is, and thank you. It is the best fucking community. Nothing comes close. Thanks, Tom. Checks in the mail. Checks in the mail. Wow, this level held. Look at that. Not two. Not two. The Apex deal ended yesterday. I haven't updated my little whatchamacallit. It ended last night, Don. I'm just curious. I was hoping I could pass this eval here so I could tell you if the $40 activation fee was still in play, but I failed. I failed you. Wow. Yeah. Scalpster on gold. If you're talking about the big bear flag on gold, it's pretty massive. I just wonder where the top of that, where it's going to stop before it potentially goes back to the downside. Just buy the dip, guys. Tactical. Yeah, man. I think you're just putting too much pressure on yourself, bro. You're putting way too much pressure on yourself again. Here's the link to the Discord if you guys want to hang out in the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. It's free for now. So, oh, you bought 6 Lucids, had to reset them, and then you passed them, and now they're funded. I kind of did that with this one yesterday. Where is it? This one. Oh my God, that was enough. 65 to fucking, that would have been enough. This one right here, where is it? This one. This is the 25K. I blew the 25K yesterday during the New York Open. I reset it for the stream yesterday, passed it on the stream, and then last night for today's session, I got $501 on the first day of the funded account. Clinvale. Yeah. Well, I mean, I didn't stream it. I only started streaming for Power Hour. I didn't stream earlier. Yeah, I still got the trade day. I just got paid on it too. I was up $197 until I took another trade and got caught in this fucking pump. So now I'm down 174, and I don't know. Kind of annoyed about that, but whatever. It could have been a lot worse. I was probably down. I almost got taken out here, and I would have been down like $1,000. But I could live with 174. I've come back from worse. The first day I had this live account, the first day I had this shit, I lost $585. Got all of that back, and then grew it. So I could requested 625 and got 500 from it after fees. There it is right there. I just got it today. And I started with 3,825. So if you look at the big picture, I started with 3,825. Already got paid 625, 500 after fees. And after all of that, I'm only down $103 after all of that. The account started with 3,825. There it is, you fuck. Oh my God, you piece of shit. I'd be fucking, wow. 13, I'd be up another $260. Motherfucker. Oh my God. Oh, 22. I'd be up 400. I'd be up like $600 on the day right now if I just held. If I just held this shit through this fucking shit. Great. I love that. I love that for me. Fucking love it. Cody. Gilbert. JK. Yeah, I noticed that, hot shot. I noticed that. Because I wanted to show Jordan Adamson, because we were in the Discord bullshitting in the main chat, and he was asking me about how something to do with if I hit the daily loss limit on the funded accounts, and I wanted to show him my calendar, and the site was down, so I couldn't. Your first payout ever across all prop firms, Cody Mullins? That's fucking awesome, bro. Even if it's your first from Funding Ticks. First ever from them, it's great. If it's your first ever, really fucking great. Super happy for you. Oh, first ever. Hey, pound that confetti like roast beef for Cody Mullins. Fuck yeah. First ever payout as a prop firm trader. Was there ever a point that you were thinking about quitting? I'm just curious. Was there ever a moment where you're like, man, fuck this shit? Yeah, it just ain't right. I mean, that's just how the market is, bro. You know how it is. I hate the fact that I'm a pussy and I let myself get taken out. 764. This was the spot right here. 26 more ticks. I mean, would I have held, I probably would have trailed down this far, but it would have been another like $400 for me. Hell yeah. What up, Mayo? This is not true, but my code is still the best fucking code. Fucking annoying. That shit's annoying. I'm annoyed about that. Yeah, Cody, for sure, man. Great job. Cody. I'm really annoyed about that. I mean, I was just happy to get out of the trade for like minimal damage, but all I had to do was hold longer. It's the story of my life, lately at least. Just hold fucking longer. How hard can it be? How hard can it fucking be? Cody! We got two Codys in here right now. Moravsky, what up? Every time your trades go red. Oh, man. What's NQ doing? Wow, it's still going down. I don't know. I might not even trade. I don't know. We'll see. I'm kind of fixated on this account. Maybe I could get it back green or something. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, man. Anyway, if you quit trading gold, you could do better. Hey, Rebbe, if you trade the NQ better than you trade gold, then I personally trade gold a lot better than I trade the NQ. So that's why I fuck with gold with funded accounts. I can't even trade the NQ on this TradeDay live account unless I pay for the data. And I'm not paying for the fucking CME data when I hate trading the NQ. That's part of like, I mean, like maybe you're saying it in jest, maybe you're just joking around a little, maybe a little sarcasm. I don't know. Because it's hard to it's hard to take text and put it into the proper context sometimes. But if that is true, then just don't trade it anymore. Or only trade it like when you're practicing. Or if you're trading with some Carlos, what up? If you're trading with some cheap, if you want to develop your skills, do it on cheap evals. Don't do it on funded accounts. Well, JT, gold there's 10 ticks in a point with gold, 10 ticks in a point. One mini is $10 per tick. One micro is $1 per tick. And what you'll see happen with gold a lot, that's why I talk in ticks with gold, is it'll move gobs of ticks at a time. So I count, 50. Oh, look, you see this? You always see me talking about, oh, look at this 200 tick fucking move. 200 ticks with one mini is $2,000. 200. Look at this shit. Unfucking believable. 200 ticks with one micro is $200. What up, Pawn? Don. That's right. Tell him, never fucking quit. Quitters never win, and winners never quit. Yeah, Rick. I mean, oh my God. Could you fucking imagine I held this shit? It is down now 33 ticks. I'd be up another 600 bucks. Obviously, if I was holding, which is something I need to get better at. Nice, pawn. Enjoy it. Carl, you know the deal, Carlos. It happens. It happens. Scalpster, yeah, but you know what, man? You know, if someone like, I get why someone would give up or just at least take a breather for an extended period of time. Some people need to do it for their mental sanity, but you know, in the long run, I think doing stuff like that hurts you more in the long run. But this shit costs money. It costs money. That's the biggest thing. I can't fucking believe I'm not in this trade anymore. Look at this. It's going to keep going down. I'm so fucking pissed. I should have re-entered at some point. I mean, I had my orders over here to re-enter, but never came back for me. Never came back for me. I'm so mad I could just scream right now. Scalpster. Yeah. You know, but at some point it could get to the point where maybe you go back, you know, you get rid of one of them because you're doing good enough in trading. It's not impossible. It's very possible. Results not typical. This is for entertainment purposes only. Trend friend. Nice, bro. Great job. Great fucking job. Love to see it. Oh my God. Kill me. Kill me. 54 ticks. I'd be up over $1,000 in that trade that I let myself get shaken. And, you know, obviously I was just happy to get out of it, but fuck, look how much further down it is now. Amazing. This shit is dumping. I can't help it. Oh my God. Here's the 618. Is it going to bounce off the 618? This is the low of the VWAP band. Amazing. It went down 60 ticks. 60 fucking ticks from where my break even was. That would have been, you know, if I held it perfectly in a perfect world, that'd be fucking $1,200. Amazing. Wow. Is it? Wow. I fucking hate myself sometimes, man. I really fucking do. Don Burberry. But when you put in the best code, it's free for now. Yeah, no, I get it, Scalpster. It's smart. You're grinding. You're hustling, man. I respect. How can you not respect that? Doing what you got to do. You have a goal, and you're going to do whatever you can to achieve it. Nothing wrong with that. I can't fucking believe that happened. Actually, I can believe that happened. I can believe it. Simple trading strategies. 5 minutes from now. Lucid is done at 4:45. So I can't even trade. I can't even trade this shit, really. It's too late. I don't want to even bother. Which sucks because this thing went down more than enough points in this, you know, this pullback. Which was at the 618 from this last high here. Go figure. Bowser, yeah. If I didn't get out, like Bowser said, we all know how this shit plays out. If I stayed in this trade, it would have fucking pumped back up. But of course, I'm not in it anymore, so it dropped 60 fucking ticks from where my break even was. which would have been $1,200. Amazing. Fucking amazing. But whatever. We salvaged the account. The account is fine. The account overall, I already got money from it, and I'm only down $103 from when I first got it. So that's fine by me. It could be a lot worse. Could have been a lot worse. And tomorrow I'll have three funded take profit trader accounts. No activation fee. 40% off, no activation fee with the best code ZERODAYJAY. I'll have 3 of these fucking things. This was day 5. This ain't, I don't know if we're going to come back up this far. Wishful thinking. Volks, what up? Oh, yeah. Today was rough. Don, I've been live. I've had this account for like 2 weeks now. I already got a payout on it. Here's my first payout from it. I requested 625. They took 20%, so I got 500. Oh, by the way, you can follow me on Twitter. I'm ZERODAYJAY. ZERODAYJAY is my Twitter handle, guys, okay? You see, guys? Thanks, chat. Appreciate it, chat. I'm really hoping I could take this to another payout. What's annoying about bulenox, though, is I got to get 8 more days in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And then I'm going to request, and I won't get, if I am able to achieve that, right, lock in another payout with these 2 accounts, I won't get the money until December 3rd. It's like, ugh. Fucking shit is so many days to trade, and then you got to wait because of, depending on when you request. $44, the Punisher, the ex-Punisher. What up? Look at nice little happy little 618 bounce. Oh, just 40 ticks. Just a 40 casual 40 tick bounce there. You could get, can you get 2? I don't even think you could get 2 in a month. If your days line up perfectly, you might be able to get 2 in a month. But usually it's like, look, I got to pay out. Let me go back to this calendar. Watch. So this is November. This was my 10th day on the second payout for these 2 accounts. And I didn't, I stopped trading. And then I got paid on the 11th. I got paid Tuesday night. So I started trading again for Wednesday's session. I got Wednesday and Thursday in. But then if I go to October, I started trading the account on the 3rd. On a Friday, got my 10th day in on a Thursday and didn't get my money till, the 21st or the 22nd, and then started trading again. So you gotta it's gotta be the perfect month. You gotta get it. You would have to get it on a Monday, right? If you got the account on a Monday and you did it in 10 days, which is the minimum anyway, You would request on the 10th, get it on the 15th. That's the only way to get paid 2 days, 2 months, twice in a month. And then you'd start trading again, right? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you would get, no, you wouldn't even get it. You wouldn't even get it. Unless you trade every day. I don't know how they count those days. They probably count them. You would have to trade every day and not take a break in between waiting for payouts. I think it's the only way you could do it. And you have to get it on a Monday. You know what I mean? And that's in a 31-day month also. So it's almost impossible to get, it's not impossible, but it's very tough to get paid twice in a month from the same accounts with bulenox. But like, unless like, all right, so for argument's sake, let's say I get the job done on this. Let's say I do it, right? Let's say I get my 10 days in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll request, I'll get the money on the 3rd. I'll get paid on the 3rd. And then in December, if I could do it again, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll get paid for a second time in December. Only because I'll be getting paid on the beginning of the month from the previous month. So it's possible that it is, it's not impossible to get paid twice in a month from bulenox, but it's definitely a little challenging. They don't even count it. They don't count it as a trading day while you're waiting to get paid. That's what I'm saying. I don't even trade those days anyway. That's funny. Yeah, I think so. We were talking about it yesterday. Konija. Does it suck though? I requested and I got paid. It's not that bad. You know what I mean? I got $6 grand from these 2 accounts. I got $6,000 from these 2 accounts total. And I'm working on another 3,000. It's not terrible. It could be worse. Astro Boy Ken, what up? Yeah, I believe me. That's my goal. My goal is to max out my take profit trader. It just hasn't. I haven't had that. I've just been struggling trying to get paid with take profit trader. I haven't gotten a payout from take profit trader since August. So I'm looking to change that. Obviously I know I'm getting closer to getting paid by take profit trader. My goal is to have 5 funded accounts with them that I take so far that they push me into live. I would love to have 5 live take profit trader accounts. Would love that. But, as of right now, that hasn't happened. I just want to get payout. I just want to get over the buffer and just keep taking payouts from them every single day until I have to deal with that shit. Scalps are, yeah, but in the meantime, that's just one firm I'm trading with. That's one firm. I don't care. Look, I don't care where it comes from. I'll keep piling the money. I just happen to be trading these accounts really well. What am I supposed to do? Stop trading them because it takes too long between payouts? No, I'm going to keep taking the money, but I'm also getting paid with Lucid. I'm getting paid with Trade Day. Maybe I'll get paid with Apex. I just passed these My Funded Futures over here, right? Maybe I could get payouts with them. It's just a collective bombardment of my bank account. That's my goal, to just be getting paid. I want to be getting paid from every single prop firm I trade with all of the time, so it feels like I'm getting paid every single day. It could get to that point where I'm almost getting paid every day because I'm getting paid from all of them, often, habitually. I'm okay with the fact that I'm not going to get paid again from these guys until December 3rd, the soonest. But if I do, it's another $3 grand. Just pile it on top of anything else. Yeah, if you have the large days, you can't, the trading day, your best, for any day to count as a trading day, you have to do at least 20% of your best day. My best day is 749. So I know every single day, anytime I want to count them as a trading day, I gotta do 150 bucks at least. So that's why, like, I'm like, my balance, I got 50, 5,100 bucks. What the fuck? 5,100 bucks. Like, I don't need to have monster days. 150 plus. That's all I care about. 150 or more. If I end up with 400 or 500, then cool. I'll tell you one thing though, like on this day, 728 I did that day on the 29th, I think I was at 800 or over 800. I was a little bit below or a little bit over. I lost money on purpose because I didn't want to have to grow. I didn't want the other days to not become valid days if they're less than 20% of that. Why does this keep showing the fucking Apex one and not the other ones? I got to switch that around. Yeah, of course it's hard. But you know what? Doesn't mean it's not doable. There's people doing it all the time. There's a bunch of people in the best community on these prop firm streets that have Pro Plus accounts because they've maxed out the amount of money they could get from regular Pro accounts. So they got the 90-10 split anytime they have a funded account with end of day drawdown. It is Scalpster, bro. It's happened so many times. Ask in the Discord. People got denied payouts. People got denied payouts because they had days. They had days that they thought were counted as trade days that were less than 20% of their best day. It was counted against them. It wasn't counted as a trade day. They considered that a flip day. That's recently. That's within the last couple of months. Ask in the Discord. Yeah, I mean, just ain't right. I get it, but that's the tax you have to pay to get daily payouts. There you go. See, right there, as an example, right there in August. It's a newer development. We learned this is when around July, August, it started happening. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe those 150s were your 9th and 10th days. I don't know. Or those days you had those 2 days where you did 150s, there were only 2 days out of the 10. I don't know. I'm not risking it though. Last thing I want is to wait a whole fucking week to get my money only for them to say, 20%. And then I got to wait another fucking week to get my money. That's 2 weeks down the fucking drain. So I'll just do more than 20% on any day that I want to count as a trade day. Moravsky wasn't bad. I fucked up in this account. I was green in this account. But other than that, I mean, I don't know. I blew one funded account. And I hit the daily loss limit of these two this account, I am $522 away from a max payout on this account. On this Lucid funded account. My days are good. Let me see if I can log in. Dashboard. Hold on a sec. I'll show you my calendar. You want to see my calendar? You want to see my calendar, guys? Oh, I can't even. Why are these orders still in? Hold on a sec. I got to cancel this shit. It ain't happening. I'm annoyed. I could have made another fucking 1,200 bucks, or the smart thing to do would have not been to enter that trade. But what am I going to do? I got out. I did okay. I lost 174 bucks. I was down over 1,000 at one point. So I'll take it. I'm only down $103 from my original fucking balance that I was given when I got my live account. And I already got paid. Let me log into this. Why am I? You guys can't even see my screen. I'll show you in a second. I just got to log into my Lucid account. So what I said was, I was talking about this. I canceled the orders. And I was saying because of this, my original cash amount when I first got this account was $38.25. So I'm not that far off. I'll get it back. We'll be fine. Everything's fine, guys. We'll be fine. Not even worth trying to trade this shit. I don't even know if I can, but whatever. Now, back to Lucid. My consistency is 46. That's got to, well, maybe that's right. Yeah. All right. Let's look at the calendar. So I got my days in. So look, I hit the daily loss limit twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I decided to take the money instead of pushing for a max payout. Hit the daily loss limit, built back better. This day I was cruising. I had it in the bag. Actually, I couldn't have even gotten it if I wanted it to today on Friday. And I was just so obsessed with the fact that if I got this much money, I'd be at max payout land. But the fact is, I would have just fucked myself harder and made myself have to grow the account even more. And it didn't matter. I didn't realize it until like Tuesday. What I was doing was wrong. And it didn't matter anyway. I hit the daily loss limit, and then I did this the rest of the days. So, like this day, I went over, lost money on purpose. This day, I think I went over, lost money on purpose, even this day. But I'm $522 away. I got more than enough days in. I just pushed off the inevitable. I just pushed it back at the inevitable, possibly, maybe, potentially. We'll see. If I get the job done, I'll be able to request tomorrow. I would love to go into the weekend getting fucking getting another $1,500. That would put me at $5,000 for the month, which would be great. And maybe I could grow these Apex. Maybe I could take these Apex accounts to a fucking payout, max payout land. Maybe I could do that instead of fucking shit in the bed on days 4 and 5 like I've been for the last fucking 2.5 months. 3 months at this point. Last payout I got from Apex was mid-September. So 2 months. And then I got these. These will be funded tomorrow or later on tonight. I got these. This, like I said, we got this. We got this one. I got these 3 evals that I'm going to see if I can pass. I got these 3 funded. Well, these are going to be funded when the market reopens. These are core accounts for my funded futures. Unfortunately, I got the add-on. So I think I have to, whatever I do, I could only request half of it, but we'll see. Maybe I can max it out. Maybe I can max it out and get 3,000 from each of those. We'll see. We'll see, guys. We got that. We got the Trade Day Live account. We got the 2 funded bulenox accounts. I think I'm in good shape. Corey. Hey, man, they keep you paid, though. Gain weight. I know. Maybe I should skip Fridays. Corey the phone trader. What's going on? Oh, man. Oh, I see, Isaac. I don't think they care about how many contracts you use so much. But I think that 20% rule is an unwritten rule that rears its ugly head, I guess, when they have an opportunity to not pay you because of it. You know what I mean? It's like that. It's like that, y'all. It's like that, y'all. All right. You liking funded next? Yeah. So far, so good with them. Haven't heard any real fuckery with them yet. Anyway, guys, I'm going to bounce. I got to take my son to the bank at 3, actually. Grocery store's an hour away. Tony Gold. Corey. Anyway, I'm going to bounce, guys. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte on your way out, please. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. I'll be around tomorrow for Power Hour. Let's see if we could close out the week strong. And I'm hoping I could come on later on tonight. I wanted to last night, and then just the fucking day got away from me. But I will do my best. But Power Hour tomorrow for sure. All right, guys? Thanks again. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.